Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Chris here. I want to bring you guys a little update on Litecoin. I talked about this a little bit earlier on my coin market cap review. So guys, if you could like, subscribe, all that, I really appreciate it. But we're going to be talking about the bank acquisition news that Litecoin received. Guys, like we've talked about in this bear market, even in my opinion, even if Amazon came out and said, hey, we're adopting Litecoin, when we're in this severe of a market that we're in right now, you may have a quick spike, but things just tend to continue to go down and follow that bearish trend. So I want you guys to realize that, because even the price on Litecoin spiked above $80, but now we're back at $77.80, and the bulls or the bears are still in control. So I want you to realize when you're in this shorter term bear market or crypto winter, the news is just not going to have a significant effect like it would in a bull market. In a bull market, you could see a 10 to 15% spike on news like this. So I want you guys to be aware on that. Don't base everything on just news right now, okay? In the long run, once we get out of this bear market, this news, all this is going to play a factor, and it's going to be huge. So it's great that we're having the good news. It's just disappointing that it's not going to change the price that much. So I want you guys to be aware of that. So don't go FOMOing in. Really wait for a good spot. Wait for confirmation. So it says Litecoin price spikes above 80 on bank acquisition news. And this is by Amkar Godbol. I'm sorry if I mispronounced his name. It says the price of Litecoin spiked to $81 on Wednesday amid notable news for the cryptocurrency, often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. The world's sixth largest cryptocurrency by market value looks to have picked up a bit on reports that Litecoin Foundation has acquired a 9.9% stake in Germany's WEG Bank through a new partnership with crypto to fiat payment provider TokenPay. So guys, this is real world stuff, and it's being real world adopted. Like, I want you to realize that. I know that there's going to be haters and say, oh, this, that. Guys, this is a big deal, okay? So it goes on to continue to say, the strategic partnership has opened the doors for new customer-focused crypto payment solutions, and according to Litecoin founder Charlie Lee, it is a huge win for all parties. While the news has certainly brought cheers to the battered Litecoin bulls today, the technical charts remain biased to the bears. So that's what we were talking about. At press time, LTC is trading at $79.50, up 4.73% on a 24-hour basis, having lost more than 50% in the last 2 months. Trading volume for the last 24 hours is stagnant at just over $3 billion, according to Coin Market Cap. Guys, what you're looking at here, so we have our 100-day moving average. So these are simple moving averages. They're not the exponential moving averages. So your green line here's the 100-day. Purple line is your 200-day. Then we have our 50-day here in orange. Then we have our 10 here in like that teal, and then 5 in white. Okay, I want you to realize that basically all these are acting as resistance right now. Litecoin's decline from the session high of $81 marks a failure on the part of the bulls to cut through the falling trendline resistance. The chart also shows a bearish crossover between the 5 and 10-day moving averages. Further, the long-term moving averages are positioned one below the other and are trending south in favor of the bears. Thus, the path of least resistance is to the downside. So remember, that's how important trends are. You can't buck the trend, guys. We just have to wait till we put that bottom in, reverse the trend, have a higher high, higher low. Okay? And that's how it happens. Continued higher high, higher low. And what we've been having are a series of lower highs and lower lows. All right? Then here's another picture of all that, guys. You can take a look at that. And then it says, on the longer term chart, the 5 and 10 week moving averages are sloping downwards, indicating a bearish setup. The relative strength index, RSI, is hovering below 50 in the bearish territory. A break below $75 today low would bolster the already bearish technical setup and could yield a drop to $69, the 100-day or 100-week moving average. On the daily close, as per UTC, above the falling trend line would confirm a short-term bearish to bullish trend change. So guys, just remember that. Don't FOMO in. That's the main thing that I want to talk to you about. Don't FOMO in. Really wait for confirmation. Wait for a good spot. Wait for that bottom to come, because, you know, Litecoin could go to $40 or $50. I mean, if Bitcoin goes to $4,000 or $5,000, anything's going to happen. Remember, the whole market follows Bitcoin, so that's what I want you guys to pay attention to, is really focus on Bitcoin and what it's doing, because Litecoin as of the moment is tied so closely to Bitcoin. So I want to bring this to you guys. Don't FOMO. Wait for good spots. It's great news, though. I want you to write this down. Like all these good things that are happening to Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies, when there's real world adoption, have yourself like a little training journal and stuff and notes for the day and write it down. So like in mine today, guys, what I always like to put down is I go to coin market cap. We have the overall market cap, which is at $254 billion. So I always have that for the day. I get BTC's price, which is 6,429, Ethereum's price 444, and Litecoin's price 78.84. And then I'll go through and put like what videos, what topics I want to do, and also all the news for the day that's really important. So you can go back and look at these things as time changes. Then you can also do setups. You can talk about like the macro fib, where that's at, and the moving averages, what ones are overhead right now. So guys, it's just a good thing to have so that each day you can look for that good opportunity in that entry. So guys, if you could like, subscribe, I really appreciate it. You know, I've been waiting to get monetized now for, it's been since February I was qualified, guys. So I've had over 20,000 watch hours, and you can see I have over 3,000 subscribers. And I got a note or a message from YouTube basically saying that I wasn't meeting their qualifications or their guidelines. I don't know what I've done wrong, guys. I mean, I haven't even said a cuss word. I try to help people on this, and they were telling me to try to make new content and everything else and change my whole channel. So I'm trying to appeal that, but it's just crazy when I see all these other cryptocurrency channels are getting monetized and I didn't get monetized. So I don't know what's going on, guys. So if you could just like, subscribe, all that, it'd really help me. And if you guys have dealt with this before, to where YouTube's basically saying we're going to re-review you, or you need longer in reviewing time, please let me know, because I kind of feel like I'm all by myself right now, and it's discouraging when I've put 6 months worth of effort into this channel and really want it to grow and be successful and just have a little side hustle doing this, and for YouTube to basically just say, no, sorry, we're not going to monetize you at this time. Like, I don't know what I've done wrong, guys. And this will also kind of let you know what a content creator goes through as well, because it's not all sunshine and rainbows. You're dealing with YouTube and their crazy policies and everything else. You got trolls and stuff when you're just trying to help people who just continuously put negative things in that, especially when we're doing this for free, and I just want to be here with you guys because I enjoy many of you. So there's a lot of different things that go into YouTube that I didn't realize before. But I definitely don't want to leave you guys. I want to continue to do the best work that I can and get this out for you. But it's just been kind of discouraging lately. And I've talked to you guys. My son's going to be born here in about 2 weeks. So, even if it's $1 a video or whatever, it all helps out. It helped buy, diapers or anything else. So, guys, just if you could say a prayer for me or like, subscribe, all that type of stuff, I really appreciate it. And it's a pleasure to be here with you. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.